everyone, this is Ileana from Cherishurmemories, and I wanted to share with you my craft room. It's a little bit clean today, and let me just show you an overall. I have the second living room in the house, and I share it with my daughter, and this is her little desk here, and her little learning supplies there, and my husband's side on that side, but I won't go there. And here is my kitchen unit there. I keep my machines on there. And in here, I have all my soap making materials. And I think we all have a catch-all drawer, which these two are here. And then in here, give me a second here. I keep my Cricut cartridges in here. So you can see I have them all by the boxes. And I have them in there. And a few more things that are kind of big, but just keep it on top here. I have some stickers, my children's fruit snacks. Some more, these are in here are some beads. Some Tim Holtz configuration boxes, a Sizzix here, and then excuse me, under here we have my chipboards, and this is where I put all my chipboards in here. So little sewing machines, some mesh cutters, some 12x12 scrapbook albums. Oops, let me back up. My banner back there, this is Cherishurmemories when I do my shows. Here I have my adhesive, my medicines, some paint, some of the bigger punches, my camera up there, some tags. There's my big shot here. And in this drawer here, I have my embossing folders and my die cuts, the bigger ones. And I keep a lot of my smaller die cuts in here on a magnetic sheet that you can get from Home Depot. It's a magnetic vent sheet, and I have them in here so you can see them, and it makes the process of finding the pieces a lot easier. See? So then I have the Expedits from IKEA, and this is how I store my paper. And I have one of those Raskovs or carts from Michaels. I think it's Michaels or IKEA. And here I keep my my blings. These are all my blings in here. And my spell binders, the crocodile, and some card making supplies here on the bottom. This is my cart here. Here are my markers, and here I have my flowers. And these are all different types of flowers. Can we say I have an excessive amount of flowers? So here's my, let me stand back so you can see. This is all paper, so yes, I am a paper hoarder. And all of my 6x6 paper stacks are in here. See? There I keep my mother makes my daughter little miniature wood furniture for her dollhouse, and I come and I make the bedding or put the little pillows and or paint. So that's what I got there. And under here I have some projects that need to be worked on. That's what I have in there. There's my picture box, so I could take the photos. An extra printer. This is one of the boxes that I made using Tamara's tutorial. Here are some little wood embellishments, some 8.5 by 11 papers, desk papers, information. There's my printer. Up here I have some more storage. Here I have some projects that are in plastic bags that are works in progress. And I do have them labeled, most of them. So like in here, I have Valentine's Day themes, notebooks, things like that. Here I have some more papers, and these are like the paper kits that I have down here. I keep my cutters and my trimmers and my scoreboard underneath my desk. Here's my footstool, here my trash can. This is this side of my room. That's my shelving unit for when I do my craft shows. Give you an overall look. And up here, other than for the wagon and the mailbox, everything else was gifted as in swaps. So I have those up there. Here's my little Finna Bear head. We'll get to that side in a second. There's my table. And in here, like for example, I have Julie Nutting stamps in here. So I have them all in here. They're all categorized separately. I have different types of fabrics here, leather bindings for my spines. And here I have some more here. See? I have them stored in there. Here's my table here with my little stuff. I have what everyone has, one of those little spin arounds, and I keep all the scissors and the hole punchers, things like that. Here's another shelf there for some more 8.5 by 11 papers, different color papers there. There's my computer area. There's some more colored pencils there. Those are the ones the kids can touch. And then I have my other ones that I have put away. So there's my daughter's space here. Those are her little baskets where her little stuff to make. Her little beads, her glues, her scissors. Here we go here. There are some extra flowers up there. And then here I have flowers, sand dollars, stamp word phrasing, some assorted little stamps, but usually those are the ones that you use for like the words, like Happy Valentine's Day and Merry Christmas. Here's my little, everyone has little decorations. I guess I keep mine up here. So in here I have, see how I have it listed, card making. So in here would be envelopes. And then, oops, some more envelopes. And then I keep some clear stamps in here. Easy accessible. Back up a little bit with the glare. But they're in here. And I have a few of them, and they're all on top of these little pink drawers. Here I have like a mini toolkit, fabric markers. There's some Barbies in there. Kids, paper school stuff, miscellaneous. Some lace, bling, ribbon, Olivia's markers, which is my daughter there. Here we have some sticker embellishments. So these are like a lot of the Jolie stickers in here. See? So I keep them like that. This bin is like all Halloween, so it'll be all Halloween projects, stickers, little albums, things of that nature. And here I have colored lace. There's different colored laces in here. Here I have some Finnabair pieces. And I have them in little plastic bags so they don't get lost. But they're like little flowers, 3D embellishments, things of that nature. Have to label a few more, but just like ribbons and lace. And they go all the way down. And then here's my little lady. Hold on. Let's dance with her for a minute and move her over. In this section here, these are all my Santoro Gorgeous Girls papers and the stamps that go with it, as well as a couple of the G45 kits that I have that I'm still working on here. So that's what I got in these bags here. And then these are my Gorgeous Girl stamps that I keep in a binder, so I keep it all together, and they're all in here. Like here we have SA Crafts, and so these are like little wood embellishment projects. For example. So that's what's on that drawer, and then you have Disney embellishments here. Here we have some chipboard words, some albums here. Here is ribbons, my daughter's paper scraps, some more card making and chipboard dividers. Here we have some more ribbons. And here we have some cabochons, some assorted bling and oh gosh, paper fasteners. I guess the name's not coming to mind. And here I have blings, and I have some seashells and little letter beads and whatnot. Down here I have my digital images. Let me show you. I have them all printed out here. Keep them in here, so when you want to make a card, they're all in there. My daughter's drawer here. She has a couple drawers, and here are some more miscellaneous stuff here. Some mixed media distressing little compartment there that I had from Close to Their Heart. My TV. Here's the hat for my Finnabair lady. Here I have some vintage books here. So you can use these for like some ephemera or older pieces, Mod Podge them. Keep all my clear stamps in here. Over here I have stickers, embellishments, chipboards in here, as you can see. Here are my inks and my staples. I'll show you this here. So I have them all stored in here. Here I keep my punches. Some more projects to make. These are like out of wood, 7 gypsies, paper projects, chipboard albums, some more projects to make there. I am a work in progress kind of gal. Here are some more cling stamps, some more smaller ones that I didn't have room to put in the in my binders. Here are doilies and unfinished projects here. Chipboard projects. In this drawer we have paints and inks. Here I have fabrics, the needles, the pins, some more fabric and pins. And here, my photo paper. Here are some cards, glimmer sprays. These are all glimmer sprays in here. And here is where I keep my beads. And here are my The word's not coming to mind, but I'll just show you the picture. I've been struggling with the word. I forgot. Here is my bling. And these are all different colors. So I have 2 sections of nothing but bling. And then the sticker bling. Here I have miscellaneous papers, chipboards, stickers. Here I keep a lot of my stuff from my craft fairs. I have them in the bins there. And when you make hot air balloons. Oops, my lady fell over. And in here I have a lot of chipboard pieces to embellish. Some more wood pieces down there. Here I keep all of my metal embellishments here. See if you can see here. But like locks and buttons and all kinds of things in that nature. Everything metal, pretty much. Corners, flowers, doorknobs, everything's in there. Everything Tim holds, pretty much. So, here I have an antique, where I keep all my little daubers here, and all my distressing inks there to dab and whatnot. And I like owls, so you see little owls here and there. There's one that decided to go upside down, but and here's that spin around. And under here in that bin that's there, I have all my little paper scraps that I make when I'm making the albums. They're in there. Show you here. See, these are my gessos, my UT, chalk paint. Everything has a place. It's under my desk. Spin you around without making you sick. In here, under my desk, I keep my chipboards, pieces that are cut already, some templates, some pieces of all my black, well, most of my black cardstock is kept in here. And then, let me just do a spin around one last time, and this whole entire block there is all my graphic 45s that are not touched. But here is my room. I made those words up there. I hope you like it. Give you a last overall look. And this is my crafty space here. And yes, we are open for business. Well, thanks for watching and joining me on this Craftroom trip. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you again. Bye.